The Kreg Quick Flip makes it possible to use Kreg screws to create strong, simple joints by allowing you to drill a pilot hole and a counterbore in one step, and then drive in the Kreg screw, all using one dual-action bit. Kreg screws are terrific for pocket hole joints, but their strength and holding power make them great for other applications too. Now, the Kreg Quick Flip makes these screws even easier to use for face joining corners and many other applications. The Quick Flip chucks into any drill, and it's even rated for use in an impact driver, and features a double-ended insert in a quick-release housing. On one end, there's a drill bit that's sized to drill a perfect pilot hole for a Kreg screw, plus a cutter that drills a flat bottom recess, called a counterbore, that the screw head fits into. A hex wrench built into the Quick Flip makes it easy to adjust the bit's drilling depth to perfectly match the length of the screw. This makes it easy to drill the pilot hole and counterbore in one step. Then, just flip the insert around to expose a number 2 square drive bit, and then drive the screw home. The square drive prevents bit slipping, and the case-hardened screw drives in easily, but grips tight for tremendous holding power. Just like that, you've easily created a strong joint with a recessed screw head. You can make the counterbore just deep enough to recess the screw, or you can make the counterbore deeper and then plug the hole using a pre-made plug or by cutting a 3/8 inch dowel. With the Quick Flip and Kreg screws, it's just that easy to create strong, simple joints fast that will last. Like everything Kreg builds, the Quick Flip is designed to be tough enough for professionals, but easy to use for anyone. And when you buy from Kreg, you get more than just a product. You become part of the Kreg family, which means you'll get Kreg's world-class customer support, educational resources and videos, newsletters and social interaction, and even step-by-step plans for projects you can build.